In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a GoDaddy access denied. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically access denied usually appears when GoDaddy blocks your request for security reasons. Now, this is often caused by IP issues, browser problems, cookies, or account protection triggers. So I'm going to run through the most common steps to take to fix this. So now basically first step here is to clear our browser cache and cookies. So I'm using Google Chrome for this. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots, click on the setting. Then from here, click into privacy and security. Now on the right hand side, we've got delete browsing data. This is cookies and cache. So click onto that. And just basically you can keep your browsing history unchecked. Just click on cached image and files and cookies and other site data and click delete data, and then restart your browser and try logging in again. Now, if you're running any VPNs or proxies in the background, so if you're running any free VPNs or VPNs, just go ahead and disable them, turn them off. But if you do need a VPN, try and use a US residential server instead as well. Now, if you still having issues, go ahead and try a different browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. I can go ahead and try with Microsoft Edge, Firefox. Next fix is to disable any extensions. So you can see I've got a few extensions on. So go ahead and click on extensions, click on manage extensions, and then just go ahead and disable all of these extensions and then try logging back in again. And then if you do get in, just come back and just enable extensions one by one to see if or even find the culprit. So it could be an extension related problem. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and go to Google and type in GoDaddy support, and then just hit up their support line here. If you're confident on the phone, give them a call, or you can go ahead and click on their contact us page and send them an email, or you've got a live chat here. So depending which way you want to do it, just say basically I'm getting this error message saying access denied. Take a screenshot of it and send it as well, because that's going to help with their customer support team fixing your issues.